no question about it. The one thing I wrote on my paper, you know, whether you believed her or not, what I thought he did a great job on cross-examination bringing out was that she was desperate. And desperate people do desperate things. And I think that's the thing that jumped out at me about her testimony.
Yeah, I think that's true, and that's what he did on cross. But is it enough? And here's why I asked this of you, because Michael and I were talking about, okay, the last jury was a hung jury, a mistrial, we know that. And so you have to believe at the heart of the case, you can't decide if he did it or if she did it. So where do you make that point? I thought that cross-examination was pretty subtle about that. Do you think they can come out in closing argument and say, hey, by the way, you heard from her own mouth that she could not have made it financially without him?
Absolutely. When you're defending a client who's accused of murder, you can only say either he wasn't there or somebody else did it, and you have to give a plausible explanation to who else would have done it. Well, this poor woman went out to buy milk and she was murdered at the Winn-Dixie, right? That's very fishy. So, you know, you can only, you know, it has to be someone that knew her, who killed her, because they didn't rob her. She wasn't wearing jewelry. They didn't take cash from her. So somebody who knew her killed her. It can only be somebody close to her or somebody who had a motive to kill her. So they are doing basically the only thing they can do, which is kind of a Hail Mary, which is, you know, she did it instead of my client. So I do believe that this is the only shot they have. What other shot do they have, right? This would be it.